Welcome back to another cooking recipe. Recipe for today, saltfish and ackee. So I have half pound of saltfish right there. I have some ackee breadfruit, Irish, pot well clean in some water, coal fire blaze, real kasha fire. I have some cornmeal and flour. Need up lettuce and things, spice, tomato, pepper, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, hot pepper. So put on the pot and thing, yeah. That update on the recipe. So I'm starting need up the flour and thing, yeah. I'm done with them talk and things to the breadfruit there. Well nice, yellow hot breadfruit, butter hot breadfruit and thing, yeah. It's been alright, but you don't know breadfruit nice and things. So please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember lumberjack I represent. See outside of there, I cook some nice saltfish and ackee. Recipe are tastable, eatable. A foreign style I say saltfish and ackee, but Jamaican people say ackee and saltfish. But you can call a recipe any name you want to call a recipe. Right? So I cut the breadfruit in 2 and I bust it in 4. You can see squeezes so kind of soft like, but breadfruit still nice. It gummy, nice, sweet, delicious, eatable, tastable. So I cut it up now and did I peel it. I need the flour and thing there. Yeah? I talk to my friend also still and we see elder friend. I question me, I go and talk to him and thing, but if you talk about the food when I make the food, but you my food still, I just go and talk and I go eat it. And the recipe is nice, eatable, tastable. So indeed they tell me something, I'm doing a whole of one laugh and thing. So I say, I need the flour and thing here. And see the breadfruit there, the Irish here. Putting on the boiling water, please remember I'm putting the dumpling and thing, yeah, and the saltfish are boil. So I stir the pot because I don't want it itch up. Remember, please stir up a pot, don't make it itch. Starting washing my tomato, my onion, sweet pepper, my thyme and my garlic. Cut up my green spice them right there, you can see. Well presentation. Saltfish well pick up and thing and nice. The ackee on the pot top, the presentation and bubble down. Some people put in a bag and thing, but just boil on the pot top because chef a chef, right? Yeah. See all of my ingredients them. I'm take prepare my recipe. Remember Jamaican cooking, the lumberjack recipe are eatable, tastable. I'm gonna let this and thing there. Remember saltfish and ackee. We Jamaicans say ackee and saltfish, but foreign people call it saltfish and ackee. So you don't know you call a recipe anything you want to call it. I'm starting by fry up my green seasoning and thing. So I'm going to stir it up and thing, yeah. Remember the said part, I'm cooking food in I eat me after the meat and thing. So no don't bash me, please. Update on the food pot and thing there, yeah. You can see what I go on. I have some cool syrup that's so well nice and thing. So I'm putting my saltfish. You can see my green seasoning fry up and nice and thing, yeah. Well presentation, eatable, tastable. So I did there stir up my saltfish and my green seasoning and thing, yeah. You can see what I go on. Next step, now put in the ackee. Wow, presentation, eatable. I somebody are hungry, mouth I run water. Please remember, I don't use no black pepper on my pot, so don't bash me. So say recipe ready and thing down. Remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack, you can see presentation, lettuce, tomato, well spice up, breadfruit, dumpling, Irish, you can see everything in ackee and saltfish. So please remember like and share.